Let's talk a minute about a sales concept regarding enhancing income. Recently, a DMI vice president was able to help an advisor refinance his client's annuity with an income rider into a newer, better product with low fee structures. They went from a single to a joint income policy, while increasing their income by an additional $8,000 in annual income. How, you may ask? By completing a simple strategic annuity review. It's time to help clients refinance retirement. This is Chris, your AI assistant at DMI. Can you think of clients with older annuities or annuities with high fee structures? Or have you sold any annuities in the past? If the answer is yes, then there's a good chance those annuities have lower guaranteed income, higher fees, and lower participation and cap rates than what's available today. It's time to enhance income through strategic annuity reviews. Remind clients that an annuity review is essential to ensure strategies still align with their goals, like changing needs, updated, modern products, and even changes in tax laws or the client's tax situation may impact the effectiveness of their current products. To see more details on this real-life situation, download the case study by clicking the link below. Then give DMI a call today for more information or to talk about a specific case. There has never been a better time to refinance old annuities. Our specialists are here to help you with refinancing retirement for your clients. So, which clients can we help you with today?